Reducing stress from the trials of the day is so important to mental, physical, and spiritual health. The blaring horns and bumper-to-bumper madness of rush hour traffic, the stressful work environment, exams at school, an army of deadlines. There's always one more thing trying to find a way into your already full schedule. In today's video, we're going to explore ways to transform your home into a haven of restful, calm, peace, and tranquility. We'll cover some general approaches that can be applied to areas and rooms within your home. General strategies. Declutter. A tidy and more organized space often equates to a tidy and more organized mind. Regularly decluttering and organizing the spaces we inhabit can significantly improve the peace, calm, and tranquility of a home. Natural elements. Incorporate indoor plants and flowers, desk or tabletop water features, and natural wooden furniture. These types of elements promote a calming and relaxing effect on the mind, bringing us closer to the natural world and can enhance indoor air quality. Use soft lighting. Use dimmable lights, scented or unscented candles, and fairy lights. Avoid harsh fluorescent lights as they can be jarring and cause eye strain. Use neutral and cool colors. Soft blues, greens, grays, and pastels can evoke a sense of peace, serenity, and calm. Avoid overly bright and chaotic colors. Aromatherapy. Essential oil diffusers or scented candles with calming scents such as lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood can promote relaxation. Use soft textures. Incorporate soft rugs, cushions, and throws. These textures can provide physical comfort and evoke a sense of coziness. Now, what if you have a space that needs a lot of work? Decluttering and organizing a room or other location in your home can be a big task if that space has been filled up and you've been really busy. No worries, we've got details on a step-by-step method that can work on any place in your home or office. Decluttering can be a therapeutic process in itself, leading to a feeling of accomplishment and creating a more serene space. For someone with a tight schedule and multiple responsibilities, it's essential to approach decluttering in a structured, step-by-step manner. Here are some methodologies and techniques that will help. Set clear goals. Before diving in, define what you want the space to look like in its primary function. Do you envision a reading nook, a meditation space, or simply a clear area to relax? By identifying the end goal, you can more easily decide what items to keep and what to remove. Break it down with zones and time blocks. Tackling everything at once can be overwhelming. Instead, zone approach. Divide the area into smaller zones or sections. Dedicate time to sorting one zone before moving on to the next. Time blocks. Allocate specific time blocks like 20 or 30 minutes daily for decluttering. This makes the task feel more manageable and less daunting. Use the 4-box method. For each zone, have 4 boxes or bags labeled. Keep. Items you'll retain in the space. Relocate. Items that belong elsewhere in your home. Donate. Items in good condition that can benefit others. Trash. Items that are broken, expired, or no longer usable. Use the O.H.I.O principle. O.H.I.O stands for Only Handle It Once. When you touch an item, make a decision about it then and there rather than shuffling it around multiple times. Ask critical questions. For items you're unsure about, ask, have I used this in the past year? Does it bring me joy or have sentimental value? Is it functional or aesthetic for the intended tranquil space? Digital assistance. Use decluttering apps or set reminders on your phone to keep you on track and offer tips. Get family or housemates involved. If you share your space with others, make it a team effort. This can make the process more enjoyable, efficient, and get it done faster. Re-evaluate storage solutions. Once you've decluttered, consider furniture with built-in storage. Use boxes, baskets, and organizers to keep things tidy. Maintain. Once the space is decluttered, implement a one-in, one-out rule, meaning if a new item comes into the space, an old one needs to go. Schedule regular, short maintenance sessions, like 10 minutes weekly, to ensure things stay tidy. Make sure to reward yourself. After each session or once the entire area is decluttered, reward yourself. This can be a simple treat or a short relaxation break in your newly decluttered space. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Every item sorted brings you one step closer to your tranquil oasis of peace. With patience and consistency, you'll achieve a calming, decluttered space to enjoy. Alright, but what about natural features? Here are some detailed suggestions to bring more natural tones and elements to any room in your home to enhance its calming and relaxing vibe. Indoor plants. Certain plants don't just beautify the space, they also enhance air quality and are known to have calming effects. Peace lily. This elegant plant helps to reduce indoor air pollutants like benzene and formaldehyde. Its beautiful white blooms can be a visual treat. Snake plant or sansevieria. An excellent plant for improving air quality. It also thrives with minimal light and care. Lavender. Not only is it visually appealing, but the scent of lavender is also known to reduce stress and anxiety. Spider plant. A favorite for homes, it's well known for its air-purifying qualities. Bamboo plant. It adds tropical flair to your room and is also on NASA's list of air-purifying plants. Water features. The sound of flowing water can be incredibly soothing and can mask other disruptive noises. Tabletop fountains. Ideal for a desktop or a side table, the gentle bubbling sound can provide a calming backdrop. Wall-mounted waterfalls. These can act as both art pieces and sources of soothing water sounds. Freestanding water features. These can be larger and can serve as a focal point in a room. Natural wooden furniture. Wood, with its warm tones and organic textures, inherently brings a sense of nature and earthiness to spaces. Oak. Durable and with a pronounced grain, oak furniture can be a timeless addition. Teak. Known for its rich tones and durability, it's often used for statement pieces. Bamboo. Lightweight and sustainable, bamboo furniture gives spaces a more airy, tropical feel. Cherry. This wood darkens beautifully with age and can add a touch of elegance. Walnut. Dark and luxurious, walnut furniture can give depth and richness to a space. Additional tips. Natural lighting. Whenever possible, make the most of natural light. It can uplift the mood and enhance the calming feel of the room. Natural fragrances. Consider essential oil diffusers with calming scents like chamomile, bergamot, or sandalwood. Natural textiles. Incorporate textiles like cotton, linen, or jute in the form of throws, rugs, and curtains. Remember, the aim is to replicate the feel of nature indoors. Even a few small changes, like introducing a plant or a tabletop fountain, can make a significant difference in creating a peaceful, calming, and tranquil environment. Making a haven of calm, peace, and tranquility is more than just making changes to the environment. Calm, peace, and tranquility must also be a part of your healthy day-to-day habits. Specifically, this means knowing how to set boundaries between where you relax and where you work. The spatial agreement and use of our homes can deeply influence our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Let's delve into the importance of separating work and study areas from relaxation spaces, and the impact of electronic devices in those relaxation zones. Mental boundaries. Just as we need physical boundaries in our lives, our minds benefit from mental boundaries. Keeping distinct areas for work and relaxation helps train our brain to shift into the right gear for the task. It's a form of environmental conditioning. When you step into your work zone, your brain knows it's game time. And when you're in your relaxation zone, it understands that it's time to unwind. Work-life balance. Particularly with the rise of remote work, it's easy to have work spill over into our personal lives. Having designated areas for work can prevent the feeling that work is omnipresent. Efficiency. Separation means all your work tools are in one place and there's no need to repeatedly set up and tear down, which can be both a physical and mental distraction. Sleep quality. Several studies indicate that the blue light emitted from screens like phones and computers can interfere with the production of the hormone melatonin, which regulates sleep. Using these devices before bedtime can delay sleep onset, decrease REM sleep, and decrease alertness the following morning. Mental detox. Constant exposure to information, especially social media or news, can keep our brains in a hyperactive state. Keeping electronic devices out of relaxation spaces can provide a necessary mental detox, reducing stress and anxiety. Quality of relaxation. The constant dings of notifications can break the tranquility of a relaxation space. Even if we don't respond immediately, our brains are momentarily pulled away from our relaxation activity, reducing its quality and benefits. Mindfulness and presence. Without the distraction of electronic devices, one can be more present in the moment, whether it's reading a book, meditating, or just enjoying a cup of tea. This mindfulness practice has its own set of mental health benefits. Physical health. Excessive screen time has been linked to a variety of physical health concerns, including eye strain and posture-related issues. Designated screen-free zones can help reduce the cumulative screen time in a day. It's indeed vital to have these boundaries in place. However, it's also important to be flexible based on individual needs. For instance, some people might find music from their devices calming, or they might use meditation apps for relaxation. The key is to be intentional about how and why you're using devices in relaxation spaces, ensuring they enhance the environment rather than detract from it. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. We hope you enjoyed and found value in these wondrous methods to make any room in your home into a haven of peace and calm. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please be well, be wise, and take care.